Lepi baro tementang ya page pangani ka topik time work ka bujungan aman ni ki competitive exam laha central government ni state government ni ki banking exam but kiwi ki jat competitive exam dia time work ka deka topik ka bakren shpang ka kam kanu ka kam bakile bas pang ka pol ka balaban pendap ya kataka jat kam ti knang man smutu jeli we kani ka concept min ya shimba na ka example the for example la dangi shimba we let's see ipa jonga de ipa jonga ilaban pendap ya kawe ka kam haka nriusngi wadu para jonga pede ulaman pendap ya kawe ka kam haka kat alsngi ti kani ya kini kadeka kam bakilaban pendap individually ipa jonga lada I pendap kawe ka kam let's say ka kam ga dewan titlio ipa jonga ilaban pendap ban titlio hapoka nriusngi wadi para jonga pede ilaban pendap hapoka kat alsngi Tie la dama ki baro angut ki atre lang pode kanu sngi kilaban pendap ya takakam. Tie la dangi find ya kata da ka basic la ni ka traditional method ka eka bangi de ban tip ka de ka taka read. The what is read? Ka read ka de ka work done per unit time. Ani ka read is equal to 1 divided by time taken to complete the work. Sementara ka read jong ipa ka de 1 by 6 but ka read jong upara si ka de 1 by 12. Dia la dama ki tre lang kumut plus ngin haban shim LCM kumut answer ka de 12 6 mi 2 plus 1 ani 3 by 12 ani 1 by 4. Dia kin shim pol south ni la dama ki ya tre lang ban pendap ini ka kam. Ti kani ka basic method la ni ka traditional method ba pen solve kuno ini ki question. Re nginom use da kani ha pol exam ni ka pi da ka week pat ka method kata ka bakhot ka LCM method. Ti ngin je pej pade la da ngi solve LCM method ngin use kuno. Kani ka de bang shupni tang ba pen kuno ka concept ka bangi ken ye kani da ka basic. Ti benta pade ngin je pej da ka LCM method. Rawan solve yang malik ni ki jingkili pendon kaman tips pangka LCM. Balada pila tip ha, lani pila nang ha, pila smutu ha ban kenya LCM, it will be very easy. Wapen solve yang niki question. Te lada pimpat smutu ish pangka LCM, pila ban page ka video junga syakmat. Apo channel ka bade ish pangka LCM. Te hang ni lada ngi solve takani ka method ka long ba. In shim, let's see, pa ilaban pendap nrius ngi, bat para junga ilaban pendap kan as ngi. Te la dang shim ya kan ni ngin shim LCM but ka answer ka bamina ka LCM kan long total work kan de ka total work okay te total work kan ni la dang shim LCM ka de 12 but ka bangi penmi pat chani la dang divide la ni multiply ka ni man penmi 12 but kini ki number mat ka ka bangi ni kan de efficiency okay te 6 divided by 12 kami 2 12 into 1 kami 2 Ti kani ka deka efficiency. Ti kumut yu efficiency. Efficiency kumut ka per day work. Ani per day unit work. Ti menta ngi tip ba nrius ngi ka simple pa for example ba in pendap ya kani ka kam. Ti ngim tip pada hakashis ngi ipa tre ka no la ni pendap ka no unit. Ti hang ni la dangi keng da kani ka method la ni ka LCM method ngin yo ay kataka efficiency ru ka ba dan kam bah ban solve kini ki time and work question la da ngin sa pani EP ki example hadin kamot ka po di unit la ni ka haka shis ngi ipa ila ban pendap ka no albenta mat ipara pade ila ban pendap si benta. So ti kani kan saya pel ba ti namal ba ipa ikam klan takadaw simple tang nrius ngi ti kamut hapa shisni itre kan no al benta kabai para padi bakam tulat let's see dangi shimba titlio kakam bakile ka demen titlio para padi kam tulat badi shim hadu khat asni ban pendap ikani kakam mat kakam ba itre man la kasni pade haga sni pendap tang si unit kamut total unit baklada maki kita lang pada hisni kan pendap kanu kan pendap lai unit. Okay. Te menta ka time kan day total work divided by efficiency. Tikan simple kanu la da total work ada 12 but malaki sngi ipa ba ipara la da kita pendap lai unit kamu the total work bagi sim total numbers of days bakan pendap ikan di kandang 4 days. Okay. This is the LCM method ba kumno pen solve ki charging kili dang baka nika LCM method but balay bang use na ka method kalong ba hangni la rangi khen kaning in yo but total work but efficiency ru nama ba kini altally gande the most important factor na bentaban khenye kanika charging kili dementa in some example biang dong A can complete a work in 2 days and B can complete a work in 5 days. They are done can LCM in meet total work that is 10 days. But 2, 5 are 10, 2, 5, 2 are 10. What the total amount of efficiency that they did per day, and the efficiency bagi terima nasi kan long new unit. They are done you have find time kan long total work and 10 divided by efficiency. Kamu kan pendap you kini haka let's say 1.7 days. Kamu kan the amount of this bagi laban pendap you kini kakam dah kita lang bro alngut kan long 1.7 days. Okay. Na try plus no to the mentang in some example. The only question on A, B, and C can complete a piece of work in 24, 12, but 6 days respectively. How long will it take to complete the job if they all work together? The common in shim daka LCM method. The law A it takes 24 days. B would take 12 days, but C would shim reducing the efficiency jonkini or LCM jonkini kan one kanu. Kumud 24 by here do the 24 12 11 divide 6 11 divide so LCM will be 24. So total work is 24. Take a efficiency but then along no 24 into 1 24 12 into 2 24 but 6 into 4 sa 24. The total efficiency jong kani along 2 1 but 5 7 4 5 6 7. There Unta ka time taken kan long no total work leni 24 divided by 7 which is equal to ni ka don option o 7 by 24 kan ni ka num day option te kan ni ru kan num day option 5 by 24 dengan ni pack ni ka option te option ni ka laban day kan ni la ni kan ni te lang shim 7 into 3 kan ni 21 plus 3 kan answer kan day kan ni 21 plus 3 give me 24 so got answer is A only 3 by 7. Okay, 3 by 7. So this is the correct option. King in Yashman. The hangni particularly on A and B can do a work in 8 days, B and C can do the same work in 12 days, A and B and C can finish the work in 6 days. There A plus B can simple that no plus ni B but C can simple no 12 days and A but B but C kan sim kan no terus ni te total work chung kini kan no ladang sim ye 68 cancel to multiply by 2 so kan 24 te efficiency chung kini kan mi no 6 divided by 24 kan mi 3 sa 24 2 sa 24 but 4 sa 24 A any question ka ni haban find ya A but C te individual chung A but C nginum tem input tip te hang ni ka ong no A but B but C efficiency jong kani la ni po D unit kalong no mun ha ki singi la da ki tray ka mun ken complete no saw unit ting ni tip ba A but B kan de no lie unit T A but B kan de lie to C no to 4 the C is equal to 4 minus 3 which is equal to 1 Ikini explain pi kumba pila ban ken kumni otherwise la da pila practice bha pizza pun don kam from ken kumni te for example la dang ishim yo A man ta to B but C equal to no 2 unit te hani umis u C te la da umis u C kam 2 plus 2 unit kan long 4 so kam u A is equal to 2 unit. Okay. There, menta A but C humut 1 but 2 unit. Along 3 unit. So 24 divided by 3. Naman yung find ya. If A and C work together, can complete no 3 divided by 24 and 3 is 24. So the answer is number C. It is. A menta kani ka jingkili ba A ko A and B can do work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, C and A in 20 days. A but B can pendap haka kan A sini B but C they'll do it in 15 days, but C plus A they can complete it in 20 days. Till lang ikin si American ni umut behedu 6 day 20 into 2 can meet 40 no melawan cancel but 20 into 3 meet 60 so 60 12 into 5 60 15 into 4 but 20 into 3. So total efficiency is kini no 5 but 9 10 11 12. The 12 kini ka efficiency ka de jong no A but B but C but A. So A plus B plus C but C plus A. Okay. Kini ka efficiency jong kini. So nalangi factorize kani kan long no 2A plus A kan long LCM 2A plus 2B plus 2C. Till lang isim common 2 ni kan long A plus B plus C which is equal to 12. Langi ras ni kan long divide so A but B but C kan long no 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Okay. There, efficiency jong A but B but C kan long 6. There ni find A but B but C. So total work pandai 60. They will complete twice the work. So ni hapli ba simply pek na jan bakala. There ni kong twice the work. Simong twice the work the total work is 60. Come 60 into 2 along twice 120. There 120 lang divide to 6 my efficiency jong A B but C is 6. On me 6 2 sa 20 la ni. Option number B 20 days. Okay. The ini question next. The ni kaong if 15 men can do work in 25 days, find the time in which 20 men can do the same work. The ni ko lawan ka concept jong men days. The ni lada khatsan ngut let's see khatsan ngut ki brio kilaban pendap in 25 days. Kumut total work andai 15 into 25. Then the shanish khmaru lada ibat bi khat als ni kitray but man lakas ni kitray kano san. Lani kani gani de san got. Kumut total work so kani andai 12 into 5 lani kami 60 hi 15 into 4 kami 60 hi. The same here. Not total work lada ni find total work andai 15 into 25. Ni lani bu khat san got ki brio but kila ban pendap absan sengi kumut total work andai 15 into 25. Okay. So total work hangni contain 15 into 25. Okay. But yakani pendap manu find the time in which 20 men can do the same kumut. Yakani ka total work and find the U divided by U 20 men. So answer can be no 2 4 by 4 so 20 5 5 so 25. There can meet 15 can meet 75 divided by 4. There answer can meet 4 1s are 4 5 6 7 35 4 8s are 32 32 33 34 35. Can meet 3 that I point can meet 30 34 into 7 are 28. There can be 0 28 29 30 24 5 are 20. So the answer here is 18.75 which means pihapan lada in case kani time on work nama it's never accurate ma ki jingkali ka answer ni kami 18.75 kumut answer ande 18 and 19 tangba uni upoy hadu 7.75 kumut lajan kot 19 so answer here will not be 18 ma the answer here will be 19 days. Okay. Di kung ang kanum nung accurate ki answer hang ni but ke bami hang ni handai phe haban shu adjust. Okay. Di next question. A group of 5 men or 12 women can do a task in 78 days. Find the time taken by 5 men and 12 women to complete the task. Hani ka question ko ang if a group of 5 men or 12 women. So which means 5 men or which means same only 12 women can do a task in 75 days. The total work hang ni will be either equal to 5 men into 78 days. Lani 12 women into 78 days. Okay. Dadang i-find ka efficiency ratio hang ni kan long. Men by women. Da u 5 ihels ni ang kala. Support 5 by 12. Kumot per day unit work. Men will do 12 unit per day. But women will do 5 units per day. Okay. They simply no find the time taken by 5 men and 12 women to complete the work. So 5 men plus 12 women will find into days. Okay. Can you get days? Can complete the task. Task mo total work. Nika work kanu hani total work. It don't assume na kanini kani. It will be the same. It will be 5 men into 78. Okay. They let me replace value m hang ni nama m kada no 12 unit per day. So 5 into 12 plus 12 women they no 5. 12 into 5 into d is equal to 5 into 12 into 78. Mal unit jong m they 12 unit. So hani kami 60 plus 60 into d is equal to 60 into 78. D is equal to 60 into 78 divided by 120. So 60 into 2, 120, 2 into 3, so 6, 2, 9, so 18. So answer here is option number kanima D, 39. Next question. The 154 men can do a piece of work in 158 days. But total work adega no? 154 into 158. Okay. So find the number of days required by 33 men to complete 1/7 of the work. Kumut 1/7 la. Dakani ada total work. Kumut 1/7 jong work and day 154 into 1/7. So 7 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Okay. So 1/7 of the work is equal to 22 into Mudangni can be 22 into 158 divided Munubanle Ekanika come by 33 men. So 33. They 11 into 2, 11 into 3, 3 5s are 15. There 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. They meet 2.0. The 0.0 meet 23. 6 are 20. 3 6 are 18. Kami biang 2, 20. Kami biang 6, 6. Kami 6 bama. There. Common answer can be 2 into 52.6. The 2 6 are 12, 2 1s, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 5s are 10. Okay. But answer can be 105 days. Next, if 12 men can do a piece of work in 24 days, how many days are needed to complete the work if 8 men do this work? Okay. 12 men can do a piece of work in 24 days. Total work can be 12 men, 12 into 24 days. Okay. How many days are needed to complete the work? It's 8 men. So, can you come so 12 into 24? How many men required? 8. Then the answer can be no 8. 3 8s are 24. Common 3 2s are 6, but 3 3s are 3. Common answer can be 36. If 20 workers can build a wall in 54 hours, how many workers were required to do the same work in 27 hours? Let us 20 workers can build a Well, in 54, total work ini 20 into 54. How many workers will require to do the same work in 27 hours? Kemudian, ya kini kat work hapendap anu kenta apunyo kenta. Tentu kan nungut pada hapendap nyimtip yang hap find u ni ux. Okay, so the 20 into 54 divided by 27. Nama total, see, they have to do the same work. The only thing here you have to find deba, you know, find kanungut kidon kam ban hapendap apunyo kenta. Dela da kadega same work, it should be equal. So dangi equal hang ni, you know, find ux, so 27, dangi divide. Now 3 day, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. There 9 into 2s are 18, there 2 no x ini kan day 40. So ngindon kam sau pungut ki brio bangin pendap ikan x kam apa apunyo kanta. Okay, so option ini kan day number C. Next question. A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days and B alone in 8 days. A and B undertook to do it for rupees 3,200. With the help of C, okay, they completed the work in 3 days. The kani kakuluhan ni is very important more. The how much is to be paid to C? The kemudian have fine kanu tengka and C will see. Nomor ba kani 3,200 kisi yang minta ka complete work. Okay, tong in itself ma A ada ki pendap C, B pada pendap kanu prasni. With the help of C, they completed in 3 days. Kemudian U but B with the help of C, kanu ki pendap 3 days. Okay. So, lang ikan LCM ini ke 2, it's a 16, kemudian 6 lah, 2, 3, it's a 24, 24, 6 and 2, 4 is a 24, 3, it's a 24, but 3 is a 24. Okay. There, hang ni u A B but C kami anu 3. Then ni u A udah anu 4, B udah 3, the 4 5 6 7. Tekemut u C ngi miss, tekemut ban peklait ngi don kam anu 1. Okay, so kemut u C udah 1. C u A udah anu 4, but u B udah 3. Sementara u C udah anu ma A plus B plus C kan mi ni. 8. Dia u C kan deh. On the 7th day, then that's the 1. So, we see in it, they 1 unit. The hang ni ko ang bakadol. A and B undertook to do it for rupees 3,200. Kamut kadol naman ta kani kakam. Ni kakam total unit kada 8. Kami ano, lahajar aspa. The nama baong efficiency is per day unit work. Kamut naman ta prasi kada lahajar aspa tingka. The nama si uwan yarap tang ano tang shi unit no kani tang shi singi de kanungin hap siyo da lahajar aspa kadai nam ta pra unit kamut shi unit kadai ano 1 unit is equal to 3,200 divided by 8. De 8 into 4 sa 32 but 1 unit kandai 400 tingi hap siyo 1 unit you see hap siyo 400 kan ba UE ma UE pada dai banjo ano Nama ni sawi net umur UI and yok kan rius paten ka. Ubi pada. Ubi day lai. Day 3 4 sa 12 unit. But usi pada and yok saus paten ka. Okay. So the answer here is. Mal kuli tang tong usi. So usi how much should he get? Option B lah ni 400 rupees. Okay. There ni A and B can together finish a work in 30 days. They work together for 20 days and then B left. After another 20 days, A finished the remaining work. In how many days A alone can finish the job? Okay, so A but B together can finish the work in 30 days. But A but B can finish it in 30 days. They work for 20 days. They come A but B la try can see try 20 days. They after this B ulai no so kanu unit kila dem let's see ba ka work let's consider work ka day 30 unit hi 30 unit te kila try alpo singi la da shi unit ki try man la ka singi kamun alpo singi kila adapt to the remaining ka day no 10 unit then yeah te ya kan ni ka 10 unit basa manu ba pendap UI finish it 10 unit manu ba finish UI and in how many days ki pendap 20 days 10 unit UI pendap in 20 days te kamun man la ka singi 1 day uni efficiency jong UE 1 day untray kat no 10 unit divided by 20 okay 10 unit divided by 20 te kamot ka efficiency jong UE kan no kat no 1 by 2 te efficiency jong UE day 1 by 2 ni simply ka in how many days A alone can finish the job te la da day pada day ba find ka remaining work kamot answer hang ni kan day 10 divided by mal efficiency total work bodang sa kan day 10 unit so and then 1 by 2 the 1 by 2 la dang ira sa zrong 2 kamot kan mi 20 days kani la dang ha find ya ka remaining work ndre hang ni pa de ki fa find ya ka ki pa find ba la da UI utre mal we na du badang kamot kanu singi bang pol ya UI kamot ka total work kan day no lai po unit te lai po divided by 1 by 2 u2 rasyo mo 3 la da UI utre mal we kan sa bang pol 60 days. Okay, so the answer here is option D. The number 10 kaong, the strength of 10 men is equal to the strength of 10 of 4 elephants, and that of 60 women is equal to that of 1 elephant. How many women equal to the strength of 10 men? The strength of 100 men is equal to the strength of 4 elephants. You find your note 10 men. The 100 men is equal to 4 elephant. Okay. Tingin how find 10 men tingin consider 10 men hai. 10 men is equal to 4 divided by 100 into 10. Ani 4 by 10. Ti lada 60 women is equal to 1 elephant. Then dan ibu kani value jong 1 elephant kamut 60 women into mal anu 10 men is equal to kanu elephant. Ketkala ka reach elephant kumut 4 by 10. Okay. 60 men, 60 women is equal to 6 are 24. Or 60 women is equal to 24 men. Otherwise, laban ken natin bayro. Okay, larang ishim 100 men is equal to 1 elephant. So 1 elephant is equal to how many? 100. 100 men is equal to 4 elephant. 1 elephant is equal to 100 divided by 4, which is equal to 25. So 1 elephant is equal to 25 men. So 1 elephant is equal to 25 men is equal to 60 women is equal to 1 elephant. Therefore, 1 man is equal to 60 divided by 25 men. Then number man and convert to woman. So 10 man is equal to 60 by 25 into 10. 5 5 so 25, 5 2 so 10, 5 12, which is equal to 24. Okay, 2 2 so 4, 2 1 so 2. So answer here is 24. Day number 11. A can start a work in 25 days. Or A can complete the work in 25 days and B can complete the same work in 20 days. They started working together, but after 4 days, B left and A continues to work. And how many days will the entire work be completed? Okay, there A can do it in 25 days and B can do it in 20 days. Okay, the efficiency is on 100. 25 into 4, 25 into 5. So efficiency is on total A but B is equal to 9. The 9 efficiency kadega 9 per day unit, okay? Per day unit work. Te hagashisni pendap la unit, hagashisni pendap kanda unit, kumut kila tre kan musni. They started to work together, but 4 days, but we left after 4 days. Kumut sausi kila ada ban pendap to 4 9 sa 36. Te lada ka 100 kade total but 36 kila pendam. So 100 minus 36 kami kan no? 64. So remaining work a day 64 units. Te 64 unit namal we ula left mentau e continues to work. Mut e ha pendap ikani. Te kanus ni un kan simple u ban pendap ikani. Efficiency jong e kade 4. Te kami 4 1 sa 4 4 6 sa 24. Mut 16 days. 16 days it took him to complete their remaining work. Mut ikani 64. Mereka jingkili pada ka ong ba? How many days will the entire work be completed? Kemudian ngin hap consider lang yang kani bala abda pendak makiru tikila ada bantri kanu 4 days. The answer ni kami 20 days, which is option number B. Lada ka question ka ong ba? How many days will it take E to complete the whole work? Kemudian whole work lada utray mal way kemudian divide 100 divided by kanu efficiency jong E kemudian divided by 4. Dan ni ladang ni ong ba B u kanu lada utray mal way kemudian 100 divided by 5. Okay. Andre yang ni pada ko ong ba find the days that will take to complete the entire work. Kemudian bau kani ka remaining work pa pendap do E but kini ki saus ni bala tray lang E but B. So answer is 20. Okay. Tak ni ki example jong di jingkili kani ka time and work topik kadika we na ki topik ka bayal bha but ka babun bha ki jingkili very different ba ki aphe man por ki ki alternate days but ki dan ru kiwe ma ki baya ha ba ka pisah kum balangat mane ti la pikwa bangan le ka patu ban ngan solve biang ikum kini ki jingkili so bhaban like but ban comment ni ki video, okay? Te kuble shubon am pokon na ki video. Okay shubon.